We're having issues, so
see it.
we're having issues. Weather issues.
Seats in or outside
G,
the car,
nigga. It's G.
Yeah, nigga, I bet they ain't never got a feeling of these bitches outside.
Man, I can't wait, man. You gonna sell that whip after you build it?
Yeah.
You wanna buy it?
I'm gonna sell it.
How much you sell it?
We're going, y'all boys. So look, I'm gonna make this video better. I'm gonna make this video better just cause this shit better turn on soon. You feel me? So I gotta start upgrading the content. My shit looking crazy, bro. Dang. Y'all boys, stay tuned. I got a few things to go. You feel me? There's a little shortage. But I got the dash turned on yesterday, but there's a shortage that doesn't keep it on for a little bit, but I'll figure that out soon. I just got the suspension in. I just got, I still gotta put the drive shaft, I still gotta mount the transmission. But everything else should be good though. Like, it's only a few steps, you feel me? I'll show y'all the car and y'all gonna see and be like, oh my shit, that shit's looking again, you feel me? Seen that shit from the first video, bro? That shit look crazy, I ain't gonna lie. That shit look crazy. I'm proud of myself. That shit really came from 9. But get y'all boys in soon. Dale. I'm probably gonna throw a little clip in of y'all eat the dashboard lighting up and shit. I was low-key excited. Y'all gonna see how excited y'all was. You know what I'm saying? I mean, look, my shit just turned on, nigga, for a second. But I'll catch y'all boys. Dale. Oh, y'all boys. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I mean by this bitch don't got no power, but it should have everything right. Let me put this bitch on. Turn this shit up a little bit. Alright, I'm about to show y'all why. I mean, what I mean by this shit is not fucking turning on. I hope this shit has battery. Motherfucker. Hopefully it does something. I don't think this shit got battery. I might have to put that shit in. Okay. But let's see if this shit anything turns on here. I don't think though. Yesterday's the dash turned on. First like second. The dashboard and this too. Yeah, alright, so I'm gonna plug that fucking jump box in, and in the meanwhile I'm gonna probably just take this whole dash leather shit off, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna take the skin off. And if I see the wires fucked up, I might just take the whole thing off, you feel me? But I gotta fix the leather either way, cause this shit's not even right on the other side, you feel me? But, and yeah, no, I gotta fix this shit too, bro. But I'll catch y'all boys whenever I do that. Dale. Yeah, boys, as you can see, I took the dashboard apart again. So I'm trying to figure out why the fuck this shit's not at least having power, you feel me? So, see, no power. I have the fucking jack, whatever, it's the jump box shit hooked up. There's still no power, so I'm trying to figure this shit out now. I'm not no fucking electrician, but. So right now what I'm doing is I'm gonna swap the steering wheel because I have another steering wheel at the other dashboard. I'm gonna take the steering wheel off and put it on the other dashboard. I'm gonna swap the dashboards out and see if it's the wiring from the dashboard, and just try to figure that out. Catch y'all boys whenever I take this dash off and see if I can turn this shit on today. Dale. So yeah, boys, I'm trying to figure this shit out. I have the keys and shit. I'm trying to figure out why the fuck this bitch is not working though, cause look, y'all gonna see. Yeah, the keys ain't working. So look, I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and when I put it on, y'all gonna see the shit. You're gonna hear it click. Look, you hear it? So what that means is power. There's power, all right. But why the fuck is the dash not lighting up? So that's what I'm trying to figure out. I was thinking it could be the RF hub, but why would it be the RF hub? And I gotta make sure this is the correct RF hub as well. So I can't. Yeah, bro. You know, you get the fucking gist. That shit was cracking in there, dude. So there's power, but there's no power. There's power, but there's no power. And I'm wondering if it's this. I ain't gonna lie, bro. My shit's been getting fucking wet, bro. I gotta start closing this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I swear I replaced everything. Everything's from the SCAT. That's from the SCAT. That module's from the SCAT. That module's from the SCAT. That module's from the SCAT. So I'm gonna take another video so a mechanic can see this shit, just in case I do have to give this shit to a mechanic. You feel me? I had to take everything out, bro. Fucking bitch ass electrical fucking. This shit's a pain in the ass, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see if there's any wires fucked up here. My wiring is not good though. I ain't gonna lie. I fucked up when I was taking this wiring out. I ain't gonna lie. I changed the dash out too just to see if it was the dash, bro. But it's not the dash. You feel me? Cause there's two wiring setups. There's this one, or is it fucking? Where the fuck did I put it? Where the fuck did I put it? You feel me? It's a whole different wiring setup. Oh, it's the same one, but it's different. So I'm gonna low key now that I'm here. I'm gonna see what's up with this. Let me see if everything's good. Make sure this wiring is not fucked up. You feel me? Before I put it back on, cause I'm gonna put this one back on since it's not. You feel me? It's not that. So I'm gonna put this one back on it. Take that one off. And if I fuck with the 300 shell, I'll put the 300 shell. If I fuck with the 392 shell, but yeah, it doesn't really matter right now. But yeah, and I also got a bunch of fucking clips I gotta use. Feel me? I need different ones though, bro. Damn, I need a zip tie ones. They straight though, whatever. But yeah, boy, I changed the gas pump. Fucking, oh look, there is a footrest module. But I ain't even gonna plug that in yet, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
How you swinging? Let me see. How you turn traction off? In first gear? In first gear? Let me see. Oh shit, it's breaking. You see that shit break? Yeah, that shit burning, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Boys, I ain't gonna lie. I couldn't get that shit started, bro. You feel me? So I just finished mounting up the trans and shit. I'm gonna get the car probably towed to an actual shop and have them figure out the electrical issue. And yeah, boys. Hopefully I get that shit started by next week. But definitely I can't get the. I lied. Part 4 is not. That shit ain't gonna start in part 4. But y'all seen it though. You feel me? Like that shit's almost together. I just gotta figure out electrical issue, or whoever's gonna figure that shit out. And that shit's ready, bro. I just gotta start fixing the body up after. But hopefully part 5, bro. Hopefully the people don't fucking have that car forever. You feel me? But I'll catch y'all boys later and see what's up. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? Just hopefully, bro. It's a bunch of hopefullys right now. Nah,